Hello?
Okay.
Thank you. Well, how do you like my hair?
I love it.
Okay. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a show and tell / review on this unit that I'm rocking from Asteria Hair. All their information will be linked down below. This is Asteria Hair's Body Wave lace front wig, and this wig has a silk base type of lace. I don't know, but I'll insert some clips so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. I did go in and bleach my knots, but like it's only about maybe a ½ inch, about this much of regular lace, and then it's like the silk base. This is 180% density, and oh my gosh, let me put all the hair to the front. I did go in and curl this unit. You guys are going to see some clips throughout this video of how I curled this wig. Oh, and I wore it on like a little date in its natural state. So when I bleached the knots, the very front knots, and washed and deep conditioned the hair, I didn't have enough time to really style the wig, so I just wore it in its natural state. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I do always rock a medium-sized cap construction, and the length of this wig is 22 inches, and I'll show you guys some clips so you can see how long it's falling on me. I am 5'2", and I wore this hair for like 3 days straight, and then I went in and curled the hair on my mannequin head, and then it sit on my mannequin head for like, ooh child, like 4 days. And I'll insert a clip to show you guys how the curls looked. They like barely dropped sitting on my mannequin head. And after I get done telling you guys my overall initial thoughts about this wig, I'm going to insert a clip so you guys can see exactly how I did my effortless wig application, and you'll also see how this unit looked once I curled the hair, like 4 days later after I curled the hair, and you'll see me brush it out and everything. But I didn't receive hardly any shedding. This is the brush that I brush my hair with. I need to get a new brush, like, right? If it ain't broke, don't fix it though. But yeah, it barely sheds, and I did sleep in it for like 2 or 3 days, and it didn't tangle up in the nape or anything on me. So I'll give this wig an 5 out of 5 so far. And the only thing that I feel like could be a drawback is the silk base, and that's only because I'm of a deeper skin complexion. So if you have a deep skin complexion, be aware that you're going to probably have to go in and add like a foundation or concealer. That's what I did. I actually think it looks really natural, so it's not really a drawback. You're just going to have to learn how to work with the silk base because it's a lighter color. You're going to have to put in a little bit more manipulation to it, but once you do that, you guys see this, it looks so natural. And I've been rocking this hair in a middle part because it's just been giving me life. finish off this video, I want you guys to let me know how you feel about this wig. It's definitely affordable for a 22-inch lace front wig with a silk base closure in it. Like, the price is definitely right. And you guys already know how I feel about Asteria hair here on my channel. I absolutely love their hair. I haven't had one wig or any bundles that I didn't absolutely love. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried Asteria hair? Let me know, because you know me and you know the fam, we need to know your experience as well. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Asteria hair. I'll leave all their information down in my description box. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, my nails is so wrapped. Look, look. We all the way real up over here, okay? Okay.